Need to share your current GPS position or share a real-time live location with someone on WhatsApp using your iPhone or Android device? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile phone and select the chat where you want to send your location. If you are using an Android device, tap the paperclip attachment icon next to the message box. If you are on an iPhone, tap the plus icon located to the left of the text input area. From the menu that pops up, tap on Location. If prompted, grant WhatsApp permission to access your device's location services. Now you will see two main options. If you want to send your exact current spot just once, tap Send Your Current Location. If you want to share your location in real time as you move around, tap Share Live Location. Choose how long you want to share your live location, for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Add an optional comment and tap the send arrow. You can stop sharing your live location at any time by tapping Stop Sharing in the chat window. If this quick guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.